So hello everyone. So today we will start our new drawing class. Says okay. So today first we have to see how to make a sleeping line, standing line. All these are common thing. Okay, which will help you in drawing. Okay. So try to make a small with a light hand. Do you see? Sleeping line, small, lightly. Keep your hand light and try to make sleeping line. Once you done, then make it dark so that it will be visible. Right? Do you see that? So like this you have to make this practice. Making the line adds same what you have made earlier. Keep it straight. Look. Once you're done, then you make it dark. So you can see that. And you can rub the line which is not in a proper way. Understand? So you can see here the by this way you have to make all this line. Sleeping line. Okay. Then we have to start for a standing line. Okay. All this line will help you in making the drawings and all. So after doing this, as you can see, the lines are in straight. See that? Now you can see, now we have to do a standing line. Keep your hand light and try to drag it down. Slowly. Do slowly. Once you think that line is proper, then you make it dark. Slowly. See. Make a dots and join that. Try to join it in a proper straight manner. See. As you can see here. Okay. So make a practice of making standing line and the sleeping line. And keep your hand as light as you can possible. Once you're done with a light stroke, then make it dark. See that? Okay. Now I'll make you sure that you can do, you can also make a slanting line. See, from upward to downward. Okay, from downward to upward, from upward to downward. You have to make your hands move from both the side, from downward to up and from upward to down. Okay, from this side now you have to same practice you have to do from the other side, from upward to down, from and make it dark. Once you're done with this, then downward to upward, then again upward to down and downward to upward. This is where you have to make the practice of all this, which I had told you about the sleeping line and the standing line and slanting line, upward and downward from both the side. Now we will make a curve. Slowly. Keep your hands light. See, as you can see, once you're done with the light hand, then make it dark. See, same way you have to make a practice of other side. All these strokes will help you in drawing, but the main thing is that in drawing you have to keep your hand as light and as you can, so that your hand can move fast. So this word curve and the opposite side curve. See, after doing all this, now we will do zigzag line. Slowly you can make it from like this. See, you have to make the practice of all these strokes. Now I'll tell you how to make a circle. See, in this way you can make circle, big circle. Now you can go inside. Now make it small, then small. Now this way you can understand how to make a smaller and smaller, and by doing outward you will get a bigger circle. So you have to make the practice of all these strokes. Then curves. All these things will help you in drawing a perfect picture. See, now I'll show you how to make a eyes. Simply curve over and then again here down. Now inside. Then you have to do shading. For shading you have to use a pencil like this. So this is the way you can make it your hands. As you practice, you will get so many things you can draw. And once you feel with the that the light pencil is going in good way, so that you can do it dark, right? See, the same way you can draw the eyes here. So make a practice of both sides. Shading helps in doing so many beautiful things you can draw from the shading. Not only coloring gives you a beautiful picture. See. So this is where you can draw so many things. So you can see you have to do a practice of standing a sleeping line, right? Make your hand light, hold the pencil lightly and try to make line straight as it possible in a sleeping way, right? So once you're done, then make it dark so that it will be visible and you can rub the light pencil stroke, right? So this is where you have to do the standing line, even small. Try to do first from making a dot and join that, right? Then do a slanting line practice from downward to upward, from upward to down, from the both side you have to practice, right? So you can practice even though the color curves make your hands light shade, so that you can make it dark afterwards, so that it will not prints. Okay, you can erase, see, it will not appear, right? So that I'm saying you have to keep your hands as light, and once you see the curve is in good manner, getting your curve is good way, so make it dark. See, even you can make a zigzag lines, right? This is way, make a circle and try to make some eyes. Daily practice, you can make a picture as good as. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.